Hard floors are a stylish and durable choice for both homes and offices. However, to keep them looking their best, regular care and proper cleaning are essential. Without the right approach, even the toughest floors can lose their sheen and start to show signs of wear. Hello eco-warriors, we're diving into the world of conscious cleaning. Exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. This video provides expert advice on maintaining and protecting your hard floors, ensuring they remain a beautiful and valuable feature of your space. Different types of hard floors and their care needs. Not all hard floors are the same, and each type requires specific care to maintain its appearance and durability. Here's a look at some of the most common types of hard flooring and how best to care for them. Hardwood floors. Hardwood offers timeless beauty and can last for decades. However, it's prone to scratches, moisture damage, and fading from sunlight. Regular sweeping, gentle mopping, and occasional polishing are key to maintaining hardwood floors. Laminate flooring. Laminate is a practical choice that mimics the look of hardwood but is more resistant to scratches and moisture. It's essential to avoid excess water and to use a soft mop and appropriate cleaning products. Tile floor. Tiles are known for their durability and water resistance, making them ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. However, grout lines can stain if not cleaned regularly. A combination of sweeping, mopping, and occasional grout cleaning will keep tiles in good condition. Vinyl flooring. Vinyl is an affordable and versatile option that's easy to maintain. While it's resistant to water, it can still be scratched or dented. Regular sweeping and mopping with a vinyl-safe cleaner will help keep it looking fresh. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Essential maintenance tips for hard floors. Keeping your hard floors in top condition involves more than just occasional cleaning. Here are some key practices that will help you maintain the beauty and longevity of your floors. Regular care and maintenance. Frequent maintenance is crucial for preventing dirt and debris from scratching the surface of your floors. Sweeping or vacuuming daily can help remove particles that could cause damage. Depending on the type of flooring, you should also mop weekly using a cleaner that's appropriate for your specific floor type. Proper cleaning techniques. Using the right cleaning methods for your type of flooring is vital to avoid damage. For example, excessive water on hardwood can cause warping, while abrasive cleaners can scratch laminate or vinyl. Always use a damp, not wet, mop and choose cleaning products that are designed for your particular floor. Protecting your floors from damage. Preventing damage is just as important as cleaning. Place mats at entryways to reduce the amount of dirt and moisture brought in from outside. Use furniture pads to avoid scratches, and consider using rugs in high-traffic areas to protect the floor. It's also essential to address spills immediately to prevent stains and water damage. Why professional floor cleaning is worth considering. While regular maintenance is crucial, there are times when professional cleaning services can provide a deeper clean that enhances the longevity and appearance of your floors. Achieving a higher standard of clean. Professional cleaners have access to advanced equipment and specialized products that can achieve a level of cleanliness that's difficult to replicate with household tools. They can remove ingrained dirt and stubborn stains, leaving your floors looking like new. Saving time and energy. Cleaning large areas of hard flooring can be time-consuming and physically demanding. Hiring professionals can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other tasks while ensuring your floors receive thorough care. Long-term financial benefits. Investing in professional cleaning services can actually save you money over time. By preventing damage and maintaining your floor's condition, you can avoid the need for costly repairs or replacements, preserving the value of your investment. The importance of choosing the right cleaning products. The cleaning products you use on your floors can make a significant difference in their appearance and lifespan. Here's why it's important to choose wisely, promoting health and safety. Using non-toxic, eco-friendly cleaning products is not only better for your floors, but also safer for your household or workplace. Extending the life of your floors. Products specifically formulated for your type of flooring will clean effectively without causing damage. Whether it's a cleaner for hardwood, tile, or vinyl, choosing the right product helps protect the finish and maintain the floor's integrity. Simplifying your cleaning routine. When you use the right products, cleaning becomes quicker and easier. Effective cleaners reduce the need for scrubbing and help you achieve a spotless finish with less effort. Recognizing when it's time to refinish your hardwood floors. Even with the best care, hardwood floors may eventually need refinishing to restore their original beauty. Here are some signs that it might be time to consider refinishing: visible scratches and wear. If your hardwood floors are covered in scratches and the finish is wearing thin, refinishing can restore their appearance. Loss of shine. When your floors start to look dull and no longer have their original luster, it may be time to sand and refinish them. Water damage. Stains or discoloration from water damage that doesn't respond to cleaning could indicate the need for refinishing or more extensive repairs. Refinishing can make your hardwood floors look brand new and extend their lifespan, ensuring they continue to enhance your space for years to come. Maintaining the beauty and integrity of your hard floors requires consistent care and attention. By following these expert tips and considering professional cleaning services, you can ensure that your floors remain a stunning and durable feature of your home or business. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.